In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Pipedrive subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account, what prompts to expect, and how to reach support if the cancel option isn't visible. First, head to the Pipedrive website and sign into your account. Use your usual login method and make sure you're accessing the correct workspace, especially if you belong to multiple companies. If your organization uses roles, you may need billing or admin permissions to complete the cancellation. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click the account icon. That opens a menu with your personal and company settings. From there, select Billing. This is where Pipedrive keeps all subscription and payment details. On the billing page, scroll to the bottom to find the Cancel Subscription option. It's easy to miss, so don't hesitate to scroll all the way down. When you click Cancel, Pipedrive will guide you through a short flow. You'll be asked to share a reason for cancelling, which helps them improve the product. You may also see retention offers, such as discounts or plan changes. If you're certain you want to proceed, continue through the prompts and click Cancel Subscription to finalize. Take a moment here to review any notes about when the cancellation takes effect. Typically, your subscription remains active until the end of your current billing period, and you'll lose paid features after that date. If you don't see the cancel option on the billing page, use the built-in support tools. Click Help in the upper right corner of your screen. In the Help panel that opens, choose Chat with Us. In the chat, type Cancel Subscription. A support agent or automated assistant will follow up to verify your details and complete the request on your behalf. Keep an eye on your inbox or the chat window in case they need quick confirmation, and have basic account information ready so the process goes faster. After you've finished in either path, look for a cancellation confirmation on screen or via email. Save that confirmation for your records. If multiple users are on your account, let your team know when access to paid features will end, so they aren't caught off guard. That's it. You've learned how to cancel directly from the billing page and how to reach support if the cancel button isn't there. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you wrap up your Pipedrive subscription with confidence.